Let's shift our focus to what's happening as far as oil prices are concerned. As the Middle East war continues, viewers, images of destruction have become relentless. Oil facilities burning, missiles streaking across the night sky, ships being torpedoed. But one image has put the world on edge. A Thai-flagged vessel, Mayuri Nari, was engulfed in flames at the Strait of Hormuz after being struck by projectiles. And viewers, it was headed towards Gujarat. Yes, it was headed towards Gujarat in India. 20 crew members have been rescued while 3 are still missing. Reports are suggesting the attack was carried out by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. Another Japan-flagged container ship and a Greek-owned bulk carrier were also among the 3 commercial vessels attacked in the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has also vowed to block every single liter of oil being shipped to its enemies.
البته پرقدرت تکرار می‌کنیم هرگز اجازه نمی‌دهیم حتی 1 لیتر نفت به نفع آمریکا و صهیونیست‌ها. شما باید بدانید که نخواهید توانست قیمت نفت و انرژی را با تنفس مصنوعی پایین بیاورید که با گسترش جنگ در منطقه اعلام کردیم. منتظر بشکه‌ای $200 باشید.
And we have some more important updates coming in at this point in time, and we are getting to know that an Iranian drone has targeted the port of Salalah in Oman, triggering explosions and large fire in several fuel storage tanks. Local media from Oman says no casualties have been reported so far. This is the latest update coming in. Explosions have rocked oil storage facilities at Salalah port in Oman. And what we have learnt is that it was indeed an Iranian drone that targeted the port of Salalah in Oman, and this triggered explosions and large fire in several fuel storage tanks. Security source, in fact, told Oman's news agency that no casualties, thankfully, have been reported. Let's try and go across to my colleague Srinjoy. Okay, we'll go across to Srinjoy in just a bit. In fact,